I'm going to simulate this trigger. So Finspot sending the input to the instance just by triggering this command. And what you're going to see now is that the asset is being added to the portfolio, and the status of the asset is in progress, meaning that for this particular fact of identifying the seller, we are currently executing the zero knowledge circuits in order to be able to produce the independent proofs. Once that is done, if I refresh, we should be able to see that now this status is verified and that this step is complete. And now the most important part is what's actually happening behind the scenes, right? So here we explain that particularly for Serbia, the identity of supplier is read from the qualified digital signature, which is issued by the licensed body in the Republic of Serbia. This digital signature is being checked cryptographically for validity, for revocation, for expiration, and the data in the signature is compared to the data on the invoice, so that actually the seller on the invoice matches the entity in the digital signature. All of these checks are being executed through something which is called a zero knowledge circuit. And then the proof which is generated out of that, it resides here with the next to the asset. What's now the innovation around this method of executing the business logic is that this proof can always be verified against a particular smart contract which is connected to the zero knowledge circuit, meaning that you can always prove that a certain computation or certain business logic has been executed in the way that it is stated in the circuit. Through this mechanism, whoever is looking into the asset, into these facts, can be sure without having to trust anybody that this particular piece of data, this invoice, has been executed exactly in the steps as it is stated in the code of this in this circuit. What we offer currently here is that you can download the script that will just allow you to execute it and verify that the proof is correct. And the other option is to just click on verify, which would from the browser execute the verification against the smart contract. Down the line, what we will offer is that instead of going one by one, there would be a script that would automatically execute this verification for all the facts, for all the assets per any cycle that you set, making it completely automatic.